Hi, let's learn about insects. Hi, I am ant. Hi, I'm butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly. Hi, I'm firefly. Firefly. I am honeybee. Honeybee, honeybee. Hi, I'm ladybug. Ladybug. Hi, I'm bumblebee. Bumblebee. Hi, I'm grasshopper. Hi, I'm mosquito. Hi, I'm dragonfly. Hi, I'm housefly. Hi, I'm cricket. Hi, I'm fruit fly. Hi, I'm termite. Hi, I'm beetle. Hi, I'm locust. Hi, I'm flea. Hi, I'm caterpillar. Hi, I'm moth. Hi, I'm stink bug. Hi, let's learn about birds. Hi, I'm sparrow. Hi, I am parrot. Hi, I am cock. Hi, I am duck. Hi, I am eagle. Hi, I am peacock. Hi, I am hen. Hi, I am owl. Hi, I am swan. Hi, I am pigeon. Hi, I am woodpecker. Hi, I am crane. Hi, I am ostrich. Hi, I am kingfisher. Hi, I am sunbird. Hi, I am hummingbird. Hi, I am hawk. Hi, I am penguin. I am flamingo.